Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today, as you can see, I'm unboxing Nike Air Force Ones. Let's have a look at the tag. It says Air Force One 07, guess that's the year. Black, white, and it's the size EU 43, US, what does it say, 9.5? Or is that 11? Oh no, for men, 9.5. And yeah. Alright, let's go and open this thing up. And we have the first shoe here. We'll get it out. And then the second one too. Whoop. And away with the package. Alright, well, let's have a look at it from the front. That's what the shoes look like next to each other. And then from this side, very pretty. From the back, very nice. And then from the left side, or well, I guess right side, but just from the other side. And then we also have the bottom, and then from the top. This is what it looks like. It has kind of this leather optic, and then it feels super stable. Great quality, I would say. And yeah, then the thing here is I really like the white here in the back. Just looks super fresh, better than this thing back here being black. Yeah. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing and leaving a like. I hope you enjoyed, and I have a lot more videos on my channel. Go check them out, and also I have a link to buy these shoes. Go follow that link. And yeah, well, that was it from this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.